Hello, everyone. I'm Jamye Price. I want to talk about our Lyran core evolution, which is the workshop that I'll be doing at Rob Gauthier's channel panel that's going to be here in Sedona, January 3rd through 5th. Bashar is going to be there, Lyssa Royal Holt, Wendy Kennedy, and other great channels. It is definitely going to be an amazing event. But I'm also doing a private workshop at the event, and I am really excited about it. It is our Lyran core evolution. And when I channeled the topic many months ago, I'm now seeing how it's also intertwined with our current ascension energies, which, of course, because Arion, the Lyran Council of Time, is the group that gives me or guides the ascension topics each month. In the workshop, Arion is going to channel about our Lyran heritage and how it's affecting us now, because the Lyrans are our ancient forebears that began this particular track of humanoid expression that's culminating here on Earth. And we are a mix of many galactic races, some through physical DNA, like the Lyrans, some more through Akashic DNA, but we are ultimately a connected collective. And the Lyrans have a storied past, not all pleasant, and their experience of separation and ultimately ascending into connection is why they wanted me to start channeling them directly back in 2012. Humanity's and Earth's physical connection to the Lyrans is an important part of our evolution. They were the original terraformers for Earth that prepped the planet for life eons ago. And then they assisted the other groups throughout our evolution. The Lyrans that I channel are no longer in physical form. They've evolved beyond it. The core of Arion's work is to assist us with the physical shifts and the understanding of this exciting point of evolution that we're at, which I call ascension, and how to work with the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual changes that we're going through. They help us to evolve and work with our inner realm so that we're applying universal law into the physical, which is how we truly change, how we truly evolve to the next step, which is all about our understanding of our connection and consciously utilizing that, while of course we're still experiencing physical separation, because I call this an evolution into fourth density. You could subcategorize it and talk about it from a dimensional expression, like moving into 5D instead of 3 and 4D, where we are experiencing more through the connection, not just the separation that we experience here with our physical senses and our physical bodies. But when we are applying that subtle law and the subtle experience into the physical, it supports that natural evolution that we are working with the subtle realms more consciously. And this has a lot of physical expression, physical changes for us, and they talk us through that, which is why they've been talking about the tri-wave brain flow and how the energetics of our physical body are changing. And then that manifests into physical changes with the body. So being aware of some of those energetic changes, like the tri-wave brain flow, as they call it, that is an important part of dealing with the natural changes that are occurring. And that application of the subtle into the physical is why they downloaded the crystalline soul healing modality to me, so that we would understand our healing and our communication interaction from the physical perspective and how we integrate that into universal law. The Lyrans are known as the template builders. Many years ago, when I discovered I was Lyran, and then it was randomly confirmed by someone a few days later, I didn't know what template building was, yet I was actually doing it as I was naturally creating the crystalline soul healing modality, which is Lyran template technology. The Lyrans evolved into an understanding of the patterns and the workings of universal law and how that applies into physical density. This is what we are at an exciting point with right now. It's our ascension, and it's why star seeds, light workers are waking up more, activating more to consciously work with the engine of creation and shift from the subtle into the physical, shift the human experience. This is what crystalline soul healing and other modalities, including light language, are all about. Direct communication with the patterns of universal law. Now, during the workshop, Ariane is going to review some of our Lyran heritage and how we can overcome their challenges more easily and integrate the wisdom of lesson learned into our DNA. They're going to work directly with our Akash, our interdimensional DNA, to activate the sacred gifts that this evolution that we are going through from the Lyran perspective whispers through time. And that came out poetically, but that doesn't surprise me because this is the Lyran Council of Time. And they are all about helping us to integrate and apply our timeless nature here. So, as always, they'll be focusing us into logically embracing and applying our nonlinearity, nonlinear time, so that we are implementing our own unique, universal, timeless nature right here, right now. So during the workshop, Ariane will support that through channeled information. And of course, I'll use crystalline soul healing and also light language to support your shift and integration of the core evolution that the Lyrans evolved through and that we are also integrating here as well. So you can click the link below to visit my website or click the link in the bio and find out more information about the channel panel and my in-person workshop that I'll be doing there as well. So I hope to see you in January in Sedona among the beautiful Red Rock vortices for an amazing and powerful event and workshop.